In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Chromebook from the sign-in screen. Now in 2026, this is going to be a little bit different step than my previous video that I ended up doing 3-4 years ago. I did end up getting quite a lot of questions on that one, so let me explain it a little bit. Now here, this is my own Chromebook. The simple way to reset it is if you're able to log in, you're going to go settings, you're going to go down to system preferences, you're going to scroll down. So all you have to do is just click on that, follow instruction. It usually takes around 5 minutes. This is if you know the password. Now, before I show you how to factory reset it from the sign-in screen, there was a few questions I wanted to answer. First question is, will all their items be there? Now, to answer that, we're gonna go on the files folder. So whatever you have in this My Files folder, which is gonna be stored locally. So whatever you have in downloads, play files, if you have some books and stuff like that, all that will be gone. Now, the stuff on the Google Drive, if you have some stuff here, for example, here I do have some kind of video or something like that, all that will remain. But that would strongly depend if you still know that Google account. I would assume because you don't know the password, you probably don't know how to get that Google account back. So unfortunately, all this will be gone. All right, now that I'm here, let's pretend I ended up forgetting my password and I can't get in. Now, you can probably browse as a guest depending which version you have. If you're browsing as a guest, there really isn't much you can do. Mostly you can just do the Google Chrome. You can also open up the settings, but no, you can't reset it. If you do click on the setting, that option will be gone. So it's not going to be on the bottom of it. So let's end up showing you how to reset it. So let's exit guest. Now that we're here, we're going to click on 4 different buttons at the same time. So for this method to work, all you have to do is just hold these 3 buttons, then you're going to tap on the R. So Control, Alt, and Shift. So let me just show you that. So we're going to press our fingers here, hold all 3, and then you're just going to tap on the R. And right here, it says reset your Chromebook. So let's end up doing that just to show you this is going to be a full reset. Now we're going to click on the power wash again. It says confirm power wash, continue. And just like that, this is factory reset. So this is going to be the same screen you end up getting when you do get a new Chromebook. So all you have to do is just get started. You can also do quick setup with the Android phone. So if we do get started, you're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi and then just do the regular Chromebook setup. Now, one thing I should mention at the end, this will not work with the school Chromebooks or the work Chromebooks. If you have a job and you end up getting Chromebook, usually those do have some kind of management behind it. So if you do this, it's gonna take you to that management login screen. Same with the school. So I'm pretty sure, 90% sure this is not gonna work. Unfortunately, I don't have any of those Chromebooks, so I can't test it. But from my experience, I would say this is not gonna work for those. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.